So for task 1, you need to take one of your woodlice and put it into your maze at the bottom of the T shape, and you need to record whether it's going to turn left or right once it starts actually moving in the correct direction. Whether it turns left or right when it gets to the T shape. Okay, so here it goes. So it doesn't really matter how long it takes. If it's more than a few minutes and it's not being responsive, then just take it out and choose another one. So this one is turning left. Okay, so I'd record that as a left. You do that 4 more times until you've got 5 results. Okay, so that's task number 1, and there's a few questions to answer. Right, then for task number 2, I'm going to take that one out and replace it with another one. So use a different woodlouse every time. So I'm going to take out the stopper and I'm going to put a new woodlouse. So this is now task number 2. I'm going to put a new woodlouse into the maze. And this time, in task number 2, the woodlouse will follow the channel of the L shape and will be forced to turn right, and then you are going to record whether it then turns left or right. So this is a forced right turn, and then what you're going to record, hopefully it's going to turn right, because that's the only option. It's okay if he has a little sort of explore. He will eventually turn right. And then when he gets to the T junction, you will record whether it turns left or right. And you need to do this a sufficient number of times with different woodlice so that you have enough results to do a chi-squared test. So you should know how many times you need to do it in order to have suitable data for a chi-squared test. Okay, so this woodlouse has turned left. So after a forced right turn, it's turned left. So I'm going to take that one out, and then you repeat with different woodlice sufficient number of times. Okay, I'm just going to leave it. Sufficient number of times that you've got enough data to perform a chi-squared test. Okay.